And good afternoon, Attorney Mark Kaire from Kaire and Heffernan. Last video I did, I talked a little bit about hit and run accidents and how disturbing it is, the amount of hit and run accidents that we have here in South Florida. I talked about a young girl that was out biking when she was hit and left on the side of the road. This weekend, we had an all-time low in South Florida, a hit and run on a boat. A young girl, 15 years old, was out boating. She was water skiing on Nixon Beach. That's an area down south near Key Biscayne, Florida. She was water skiing and she was struck by a sport boat that left the scene of the accident. Unfortunately, this young 15-year-old girl died as a result of her injuries. So I've been practicing law since 1997, and I opened my firm in 1997, and have seen change in South Florida. Hit and runs are a thing. It's a new phenomenon. It's probably over the last 10 or 15 years spiraled where it's out of control, where as a society in Miami, South Florida in particular, there's accidents and people are left on the side of the road, in this case, in the water, to die. And it's tragic and it's horrible. And until we get our court system more in line, the penalties stiffer than what they currently are for leaving the scene of an accident, we're going to continue to face this epidemic over and over and over again. We've never really focused on hit and run accidents in the water. We're so used to seeing them on the road, but we've talked about boat accidents and why they happen so much in South Florida. We've got very crowded waterways. Ever since COVID, a lot of people went out, bought boats that they didn't used to have before, and they might be novice boaters, younger, more inexperienced boaters, all sorts of boaters, and the waterways are crowded, and this is what you get. Also, there is, again, no licensing requirements to operate a boat. Not a lot of experience necessary. You can go purchase a boat and go out on the waterway. Insurance, same thing. There's no requirement to maintain insurance on a boat. If you're involved in an accident with a boat that leaves the scene, similar to car accidents, there is uninsured motorist coverage, which provides coverage for insurance for your injuries or pain and suffering of loved ones in the event of a hit and run boat accident. I truly hope that I stop making these videos one of these days about hit and run accidents, but it just seems to be an ongoing epidemic here in South Florida. Thanks for your time.